Chiki Art! Hey kids, guess what we're drawing today? Let's have a look then, shall we? It's rectangular. What could it be? Some kind of a handle, perhaps? Ah, a circle in the centre. Oh, I know! It's a camera! That's right, let's make it a polka dot camera. Why not? You see, this camera is very easy to draw. Or you can pause the video at each step to give yourself more time. Decorate it however you wish. Thicken up the border with a nice thick black pen. That's it. Ready to paint. Let's do orange for the top part. You can, of course, choose any colours you like and use any patterns you like. What patterns can you spot on our camera? That's right, there are some diagonal stripes in the top left-hand corner. That's the flash. What else can you spot? Yes, the polka dots. Well done. We're going for pink around our polka dots. Using a thin-tipped paintbrush because we don't want to be going over those black lines. The thin tip makes it much easier to paint more precisely, more carefully, more accurately. There you go. Excellent. Do you have a camera? Do you like to take photos? Me too. What things do you like to take photos of? I love to take pictures of the sunset. This section is almost done. You're doing really well. And yes, there we go. Let's go for green for the outside of our circle. This part is, of course, where the camera lens is. There we go. What colour shall we do next? How about purple? A lovely violety purple. Very nice too. Going around our love heart. Which can be red, of course. Oh, well, it doesn't have to be red, but I do love how that bright red colour stands out. We're leaving a little white border there. Going for yellow polka dots. Lovely. This is starting to look like a very funky camera. Now for the top part. We'll go for some blue. Nice. And some purple. Now some more red. And last but not least, yellow. Brilliant! Chiki Art!